Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard commerce students. Today we are going to solve second practical, that is SOP2 practical from second chapter, that is digital marketing. So let us read the question first. Question is that assume that you are appointed as a digital marketing expert for a company named as XYZ Marketing Private Limited. They have a website hosted on a web server. Suggest your client changes needed in the website to improve the speed of website and also make him aware about the following things. So see, you have appointed as a digital marketing expert you for this company, that is XYZ Marketing Private Limited. Now you have to analyze the website of that company, perform an audit, and then suggest the changes that are required in that website so that speed of website will get increased, as well as some of the recommendations will be there. So perform the following answer the following questions by performing the SEO audit. And see here, take the name of website from your teacher or examiner and get a report for search engine optimization with tool freely available. So website name will be provided by teacher or examiner, and you have to perform SEO audit of that particular website and generate a report. For performing SEO audit, you can use any free tool available. In last while discussing this chapter, we have seen one such a free tool, that is a SEO Optimer. So today to solve this practical also we are going to use SEO Optimer. So let us open SEO Optimer, open browser and type here SEO Optimer. Then first link is there, www.seoptimer.com. Click on that link and here type a name of which you want to perform the SEO audit, site name. Okay, suppose infosys.com, www.infosys.com. Click on audit button and now audit has started. Here you can check the progress, 57% completed. %, complete, 100% complete. So now you can check the result. See here, your page could be better. Grade is B. Number of recommended improvements are 10. So let us read the questions that have asked. Total number of recommended improvements are. So how many recommended improvements are there? 10 recommended improvements are there. So here I have created this Word file. First question is that total number of recommended improvements. So how many improvements are necessary? 10. So type here 10. Then mention the grades given for the following points. So SEO, usability, performance and security. For these 4 points we have to check the grade. So scroll down and see here we can check SEO, usability, performance, social and security. We have to find out the grade for SEO, then usability, performance and security. So SEO, usability, performance and security. B, A, C and A plus. B minus, A plus, C minus and A plus. These are the grades for SEO, usability, performance and security. So let us take a snapshot of it. So to take a snapshot you can use any tool. Suppose I am using snipping tool. Click here on new and take a snapshot of it. Now save this in your practical folder SOP2, suppose name is C1. Save this, and from that folder let us copy that image and put in a Word file. Paste here. So this is the answer of that question. Grades for SEO, usability, performance and security. There is a grade for social also. Now let us solve the next question. Next question is that check for broken links and images. So let us check for broken links and images. Scroll down. Title tag, meta tag, body content, header tag, keyword consistency. After that, amount of content, image, alt attributes, number of backlinks, friendly URLs. So check here for broken links and images. So by checking whole report, we have come to know that these broken links and images not present. Okay, so type here not present. Now let us read the next question. See here. Whether the website has links with the social media. If yes, give the name of the social media. So let us check whether website has links with the social media. So see here in the last section, before security, that is in a social part. See, your social is very good. Facebook is connected. After that, here Twitter is connected. Then Instagram is not connected and YouTube is connected. So here Facebook is connected. So we can type here yes, and let us specify the names as Facebook, comma, second site is, after the Facebook there is Twitter. So let us add here Twitter. After that, next is Instagram is not connected, YouTube connected. So let us add here YouTube. So save this file, and we have done with the second practical from digital marketing, that is SOP2. Total number of recommended improvements 10. Then these are the grades for security, performance, usability and SEO. Number broken links and images are not present, and website is social with Facebook, Twitter and YouTube connected. So generate such a report by performing SEO audit with the help of SEO Optimer, which is a free tool available. This is the whole report. You can take a printout of this whole report as well. So perform this practical number second and create such a Word file for having a report of it. Thank you.